Hi, my name is Rani Barn. I'm the Technical Manager at Purus. This is the Purus linear wet room system. It's suitable for wooden floors and for concrete floors. For wooden floors, you order the channel, the tanking kit and the former board, and for concrete floors you'll need to order the channel and the tanking kit. It comes in two lengths. We've got an 800mm version and a 600mm version. We've also got two great options. We've got the tile insert version, suitable for porcelain tiles up to 10mm. This is the most popular one. And we've also got the stainless steel version, which is height adjustable from 10mm to 26mm with these adjustment screws. We have three outlet options. We've got a side outlet, a side outlet and a low outlet. The side outlet and the side outlet are 60 litres a minute. The low outlet is 30 litres a minute. That tends to get used a lot in concrete installations. It's all contained in this one outer, which contains the joist installation kit, the concrete installation kit, a gasket and some fixing screws. We have two former board options. We have 1600 by 920 for the 800mm channel and 1400 by 920 for the 600mm channel. These have built-in falls and they can be cut down to size as long as you stay within 200mm from this inside edge. You can also cut curves into these to follow the contours of the wall. The rest of the room is to be levelled out using our tile backer board. This is the tanking kit. It covers 8 square metres. Any tiled surface that comes into contact with water needs to be tanked. This includes showers over baths and shower cubicles. This kit contains Purus membrane, some primer for porous surfaces such as concrete and plaster, some tape, some pipe gaskets, MS polymer and a spreader. For more information, where you can download technical drawings, installation instructions and watch more guidance videos, please visit purusgroup.com.